Welcome back to our Troll Expeditions Iceland Ring Road video series. On day 6, we will be attempting whale watching from the fishing village of Hauganes. On day 7, we will visit Hraunfossar Reykholt, the home of Snorri Sturluson, an important figure in Icelandic history. It was foggy and cloudy as we started our whale watching trip organized by Whale.is from Hauganes in our special spaceman-like outfits. Although we were in a fjord with cliffs on the side, we could not see anything beyond 500 meters and wondering if we could get to see any living thing, let alone whales. These guys have been doing this for a long time now, and they had watchers and coordination between different boats to pinpoint where the big oceanic mammals are. We were able to watch multiple groups of dolphins and eventually a whale. We were dropped off at Bifröst University campus while the 6-day group were taken to Reykjavik as their tour had come to an end. The university specializes in law, politics, business and management and is situated in a very special location. Check out these student accommodations right in the middle of the lava fields from the 2 volcanic craters nearby. Within walkable distance from the university campus are these 2 volcanic cones of Grabrók and Grabrókafell. Grabrók volcano is about 170 meters high and about 3,400 years old. As we take a walk over the volcano and its surroundings, it is the perfect time to share about the volcanic origins of Iceland. Theory is, Iceland lies above a hotspot, the Iceland Plume, on the divergent boundary between Eurasian plate and the North American plate. The plume is believed to have caused the formation of Iceland itself, the island first appearing out of the ocean surface millions of years ago as hot lava rose to the surface of the ocean, where it cooled and gradually accumulated into an island. Due to its proximity to the Arctic Circle, the island got covered in thick ice which crushed the solidifying lava under its weight, making the island into a plateau. This made the Icelandic highlands and its mountains much smaller in height and easily accessible. At this point, there are about 200 volcanoes in Iceland, one of which is currently exploring as I edit this video. next day on our way to Hraunfossar, we noticed huge grass fields where grass was being harvested for the winter ahead. Hraunfossar, or the Lava Falls, is a series of beautiful waterfalls formed by rivulets streaming out of a lava field. The lava field that Hraunfossar trickles through flowed from an eruption of one of the volcanoes lying under the nearby glacier of Langjökull, the second largest ice cap in Iceland. The waterfalls pour into the Hraunfossar river from ledges of less porous rocks in the lava. This characteristic of the springs emerging from lava tubes and rough grooves within the lava made this waterfall unique among those we have already encountered in Iceland so far. While returning, we visited Reykholt, a location that holds a significant historical heritage as it was the home of Snorri Sturluson. Snorri made a big impact on Icelandic history as poet, lawmaker, scholar, and is undeniably a significant character of the Middle Ages. But my focus was on these beautiful Icelandic horses. Our stay for the night was in this beautiful golf course, Hotel Hamar. There is a nice sauna and hot tub right next to our rooms and a large golf course to explore at our leisure. Tomorrow is the last day of our tour and we will be exploring more of Snæfellsnes Peninsula tomorrow.